To do operations with mixed numbers, pretty much what we're going to do is change each mixed number into an improper fraction, do whatever operations we need to do with those, and then change them back to mixed numbers. So, big piece of advice for operations with mixed numbers is change to improper fractions. So for example, if I want to subtract 12 minus 7 2/3, I'm going to change each of these into an improper fraction and then subtract those. I know I need a common denominator in order to subtract, so I'm going to use a common denominator of 3. We can write any whole number like a fraction by putting it over 1. 12 is the same as 12 divided by 1. I want this to have a denominator of 3. I can get an equivalent fraction by multiplying top and bottom by the same thing. I want the denominator to be 3, so if I multiply the numerator also by 3, I will get something that's equivalent to 12. Looks like 36 over 3. Now I need to change my mixed number, 7 2/3, into a fraction. 7 times 3 is 21, plus the 2 that was already up there is 23/3. Now I'm subtracting fractions. They have the same denominator. We know how to handle those. I'm going to subtract on the top. 36 minus 23 is 13. And we keep the common denominator. We started with mixed numbers, so I want to end with mixed numbers also. I'm going to divide 13 divided by 3. When I do that, I get 4 with a bunch of decimals after it. So I'm going to subtract off the 4. 4 is my whole number part. I'm going to multiply the decimal stuff that's left by the denominator of 3. And when I do that, I get 1. My denominator is still 3, hasn't changed. So when I subtract 12 minus 7 2/3, my result is 4 1/3. We had to go a little bit roundabout to get there. We change everything into an improper fraction and then change back at the end. We'll do the same thing if we want to add or multiply or divide.